afternoon, ladies and gents. What's happening? Hope everyone's good. Right, today's video is I'm going to change some injector seals, so keep tuned. And yeah, working on this baby. Yeah, went to Peugeot's, picked up these injector seals, and I'm gonna give the car some love. And yeah, this is the filthy injectors. Gonna be fun, hopefully. First task is get some grooves on. Then I'm gonna remove this pipe, and yeah, after we've done that, don't have to remove that one, maybe remove this one from here down to there, so I have access to that injector. Need access to that and that. So yeah, changing all 4 seals. About time to get this babby back up on the road and to some shows. Alright, screwdriver no good, man. Right, round 2 with a better scuba diver. Ooh, she's tight. Just goes to show how long it's been since that's been off. Take her from there, shall we? And let's take it off from here, shall we? A lot easier. And here she comes. Woohoo! Yeah. Filthy! What? I don't know whether the turbo's gone on it. Right, we're gonna have to take this off as well. Ideally, would have been better if we took it off from back there as well. But wow, that's gonna be a mission. And yeah, this is absolutely disgusting. Although this did get painted originally, but alright, we can just move that out of the way and get to it here. And I'll have new leak off pipes to go from injector to injector. Yeah, she needs a proper clear up. Right, we're gonna need to remember how these go as well. Do I need to take those off completely? I think so. Oh wow, maybe it's not as much of an easy job as I thought, but as long as we remember where everything goes, we'll be alright. So those go down there. Trying to follow it around. Yes, this is from the first injector. Goes down to that one. Leaves we're doing here. Trying to get rid of it. And ideally I should have probably used the Hoover, you know. Someone get out Henry, please. Give it a little clean up. Right, the first job we need to do is take off these. These are going to get replaced anyway. So that's from that side all the way from there to there. May as well leave that one on there for now. Take that one off to that one. We're going to remember that anyway. And yeah, these are getting replaced. So now the task is to take off these injector pipes. So 1 and 2. So number 1 If we follow it around again, can you see my hand? No? Anyways, down there to that one, that's that one first, and then that one comes around there as well, down to that one. This should be fun. That one's off loose with a wee bit of struggle, so follow it down. So that's for the first injector. Let's do it. Got them top pipes off. There's a bit of a struggle, and one of these clips are broken, unfortunately. So yes, don't want to mix them up. So I'm going to get these two first of all, hopefully done. And yeah, these look a bit easier. Well, so I say, but yeah. Long time ago, a 27mm socket just for the injectors. Fits on lovely. Alright, I've just noticed I need to move that Jubilee for the time being. So, ooh. Not good. Why is tools coming off, man? So, in the meantime, let's move this out of our way, shall we? So we have accessibility. Don't forget to put it on after. No, we'll just move it like that for now. Look at that, beautiful. Had to get the little breaker bar on it, but yeah. Ooh, still not that tight, but I mean, still not ready to come off. Put this bad boy on it. Oh yeah. Let's unscrew it and get it out, and hopefully. Happy days. Right, I'm going back in with this because it feels a bit tight. Let's clean up the thread a bit because it's feeling very tight and it's been ages. Literally just gonna unwind till it gets a bit hard like that. And back in. Just clean up that thread so make my life easier. Right, I've literally just taken my time to clean up this thread, and now she's ready to come out like so. And there is the seal inside there that I need to replace with these. See, in there is where the seal normally sits, but whether there's actually one in there, yes there is. This bad boy we're going to replace. So yes, I have brand new ones. Only a bit fiddly, but thanks to Magneto, my magnet friend, and a screwdriver, that's one injector seal in. Thankfully. Happy days. So now, yes, I should have replaced them copper ones, but I'm just going to see, we're going to see if this actually does the job. Alright, let's get that injector back in, shall we? Because we haven't forced it in or nothing, thankfully, that's just going in beautiful. So, ladies and gents, if you feel that it's not going in correct, do not force it. Otherwise, you'll have bigger problem. Right, that's in by hand. I need to get the torque settings and torque that on. But otherwise, that's one injector seal done. On to the next one. This seems to be running a lot smoother. I need to get another one of these because yeah, quite tight. Well, I mean, it's cracked the actual can see, I'm just using that to give me a little bit of leverage.
Got the injector out and something tells me this one is actually clogged up, because look at that, and the other one was wet, so gonna have to have a look into that. There's the copper washer, I'm gonna have to get that out. Oh my god, it's disgusting. This whole engine needs a clean.
Because just undone that. These look a lot more simple compared to those two, but yes, anyways, this one's gonna be fun. Yeah, nah, no problem. Right, let's get it done.
Right, turned out to be a lovely bit of a mission. Basically, what's happened is I won't fit all the way, and then that one I probably could deal with, but thinking about it, that's basically in the way. So if I take the rocker cover off, which I'm going to replace the gasket on anyway, so I'm not driving the car at the moment, not much of a biggie. I'm going to take that off, that will come out of the way, and yeah, should be able to get the socket on that and happy days. Just
so
do it.
it was them 3 bolts, literally, and pop it off. Oh yeah. And there's me cam right there. That looks quite nice and tidy, thankfully. Ooh, that's not good. I've got to clean that up before I'll put that back on. I've got the rocker cover back on. I end up threading the rocker cover bolt, as you can see, but thankfully I had another cylinder head, just putting it back together. And yeah, I've been looking forward to putting these on. These are my new leak off pipes, and yeah, as you can see, they're silicone and should be able to see the diesel running through. So yeah, I'm gonna get them on and we'll check it out.
Ladies and gents, yeah, should have recorded it. All the work's done. Look, I've got clear leak off pipes. Yeah, battery's low, so just gonna prime the diesel system. But fingers crossed, we don't have no leaks from the injectors now. But yeah, in the meantime, just gonna let the battery charge in. Yeah, just priming the diesel through. Just gonna let it circulate for the time being, but that sounds like it's running right. Thankfully I can say there's no leaks, and you know what, wow, I've missed drive. Give you a little walk around, shall we? Ladies and gents, if you ladies and gents have liked this video as much as I've appreciated doing the work and everything and getting my car back up and running, please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share it. Also, off topic, I'm going to be doing some fitness videos next, how I went from 12 stones to being fit, so keep tuned for that. That's going to be the new thing going on, so yeah. Hit that subscribe button, ladies and gents. Keep tuned. Stay blessed.